Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can get your host earning report from Airbnb for tax purposes. Try and do this from a computer because you won't be able to do this effectively from their phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, go over to the profile image on the top right section. Click on that and then choose account and then click on payments and payouts. And on the next screen, you need to click on the second option here, which is the payouts option. And then click on go to your transaction history, which is this option here on the right. And on this page, as you scroll down towards the bottom, you will see earnings reports. Click on this show all reports, and here it is showing you your monthly earnings. When you click on this view your report option, it shows you just for that month, and you can export it as a PDF by clicking on this button at the bottom right. But if you want to get a report for your earnings for year to date or for an entire year, you will need to click on this create custom report, and then you can either say year to date or you can choose your custom dates. Once you have those dates selected, just click on save, and you can also choose the listings which you want to report for if you have multiple listings. And down below you will see these two options, payout methods and performance stats. And once you have selected all the appropriate options, click on get PDF report. Now it gives you two options, whether you can download or send by email. Just click on download and it will be a simple PDF showing all the payouts they have made on specific days. I won't be able to share my payout report because of privacy reasons, but the report we get is quite elaborate. It gives everything you would need to know from tax purposes. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.